Okay, so this is our main topic here, Postman, and as defined by the site, it is the collaborative platform for API development. And as a .NET developer, you spend a lot of time here. So, using this application for testing your API, um, has 11 million developers. Two of those guys are me. Yeah, I know I'm in there twice. And uh, Potion features are simply each step of building an API and streamlining collaboration so you can create better APIs faster. Um, and these little quick notes to really tell you that it's an API client, automated testing, design and mock, documentation, monitors, and workspace. I've never really used it in all these different scenarios, so I may want to do some research on that. Um, why to use Postman? It's free and easy to start, so that's, you know becoming familiar with it. It's it's good. You can just download it and just start building your .NET Core applications, or any. It's not specifically .NET Core, but it's the subject matter we touch on the most here. um, it supports a for all APIs and schemas. It extends and support and community. Very strong reasons to use it, but most likely when you don't have a lot of work experience with APIs and you want to give yourself skills with how to test, and that's really good that you could go to Postman and see how this stuff is used. All right, so we're gonna go through this step by step: download, install, and then a quick little short demonstration so you can just see what it's like. But there's a lot to explore here. Okay, real quickly, we'll go ahead and start downloading Postman. There you are. We're gonna need this to test whether our API is working. Yes. Mhm. All right, click on install. So Postman is kind of like one of the best tools for testing your APIs on while in development, and it's kind of like you can't function without it so much. Uh, oh, oh, I'll fill this form out and get right back. So after you add the credentials, you're just filling your name, um, Shane, keep it simple. Second, select a role, uh, full stack developer, I guess. And which options here? How do you plan to use Postman? Well, debugging and manual testing. That seem more what I'm going to be doing here. Continue. No, don't want to invite people to the team, so let's move on forward. And oh, it popped up on my other screen here. Give me a second. Ta-da! Postman. So now that we've come this far, we have Postman open, and the whole objective here we were going through is for testing. So this is an API I have slammed together for another video I've been doing. And so we're going to run this API locally on our development machine. And we'll give that a few minutes. Let me drag it over here. And this is just a regular controller. And we're going to just call to these methods through Postman for testing. So one of the things we want to make sure and check is, hey, I don't know, for debugging purposes, let's go ahead. So now we show here in our console app that it's now listening on this port. So here's how we do the Postman. We go over here to Postman and we add a new tab. We're going to do a get. Okay. That's what we have going here. This is a get from API sales orders. So what we're going to do is put that URL into our browser. And then we're going to hit send. So that's the port we're listening on. Sorry, this is what I'm. So that's where we're listening. And we're going to go there to API sales order. And then we're going to hit send. And voila, breakpoint. And that's how you test your APIs with Postman. Very quick, simple example, quick tip. And voila, there's all our data. So that's how you install Postman for testing your APIs on your local machine.